Are you getting excited for Memorial Day weekend? What's up? It's the Podhead Pick of the Day. Hopefully you have your own swimming pool. The Water Quality and Health Council conducted a study on public pools and found out that 70% of people don't shower before jumping in the pool. So you're basically swimming in this stew of germs and bacteria, and man, chlorine doesn't kill all that stuff, dude. There's no way. That shower is important. It removes all like the sweat and pee and cosmetics off your body. And if you think that's bad, check this. 1 in 5 people admit to peeing in the pool. So if you're in the pool with like 50 people, 10 of those mofos are peeing in the water.
What?
That's gross, man. Oh, enjoy your swim. But if you don't feel like going to the pool this weekend, head over to Pure Virtue Glass. They are like awesome. Yeah. Okay, bye.